Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Crypto.js and OpenJDK. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. With this release, we have added a new page in the administration tool, Event Queue. This page allows master administrators to search for and inspect events, and delete them in emergency situations. The REST API Events resource is now also updated to support searching by account name. Let's explore the new Event Queue page, located under the Operations tab on the left. You can search for events by either the account name or the full target. For example, let's look at events associated with Test 1. When you click on an event ID, a new window with event details pops up to display different types of data for the particular event. If you discover an unwanted pull event or an event that is stuck in progress, you can delete it by selecting it on the left and then clicking Delete. Be very careful with deleting events, as it may result in unfinished transfer processing. This update introduces a new server configuration option, Audit Log Chunk Size. It allows administrators to decrease the chunk size for the exports performed by the Audit Log Maintenance application, which is beneficial when exporting voluminous data. The default value of 1000 entries can now be customized between 1 and 1000.
Administrators can now configure a custom reporting period for the usage reports that are automatically generated and sent by SecureTransport to the Amplify platform. The default value is 30 days. To customize the reporting period, modify the last number of days to include field to specify the number of days before the current day that you want to be included in the report. The current day's data is not included in the report. For example, if you enter 2 and today is November 14th, the report will contain data for November 12th and 13th.
The landing page that was made available on servers in September is now also available on SecureTransport Edge. This page provides one-click access to all SecureTransport configuration menus, an option to search for certificates, as well as a panel for certificate-related warnings and alerts. With this update, enabling the server configuration option Login Settings Admin Pre-Auth is the prerequisite for the OAuth 2 authentication plugin interactive flows for administrators. Thank you for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.